Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so in today's video we are going to talk about Wegovy. Okay, so I'm going to give you an update of my week 9. So that means I am 3 months in. Before I even get into the whole gist of how much weight I lost and also what I ate, the 1 meal a day. Let me go ahead and give you a disclaimer just in case you do not know and you're new to my channel. Okay, so I am not a spokesperson at all for Wegovy. This is a trial and error. This is something that I'm doing on my own. All right. So I'll go ahead and put my little thing up here for you just in case you want to learn a little bit more about Wegovy. Please make sure you go ahead and Google and talk to your healthcare. All right, so wait, girl, before I even get involved into everything that is going on, all right, your girl hit 1K subscribers. I hit 1K. Hey, I hit 1K. Hey, I hit 1K. Hey, I hit 1K. I'm so excited. So a special shout out to two ladies, okay? One is Peach McIntyre, and the second one is Traces of Twan's Life. A huge, huge, huge shout out to her because she does not know me at all. I believe on one of my videos I mentioned I'm on the road to 1K. She actually put me on her community tab, and that literally helped boost me up to 1,000 subscribers. So special thanks to you. I'm so appreciative and thankful. All right. So let's go ahead and get right into this 1 meal a day. All right. So it is not the 1 meal a day that you are thinking of as far as like the intermittent fasting where you just eat 1 meal a day, aka OMAD. That is not what I'm talking about, because with that, you're only eating one like big solid meal. That's it. And you don't eat anything else after that. So you're fasting for 23 hours, and then that 1 hour you're consuming a lot of your calories. That is not the 1 meal a day I'm talking about, okay? I am talking about, for those who remember Special K cereal, all right? So Special K cereal was running this thing where on the back of their box, they talked about eating a sensible meal and then replacing 2 meals with cereal. So if you take that idea and put it to replacing 2 meals with shake and having one sensible meal, that is your 1 meal a day. So that's what my doctor asked me to do, was try replacing having a shake, a meal, and then a shake. I did that for 3 days, but I extended it a little bit longer because I actually did it for Monday through Wednesday, and I continued on the rest of the week because I felt like that was so important for me to eat in that format because I needed something structured. Now, I will say that having 2 shakes every day was a little bit tiresome, and I do have some clips that I can put on here where I had, my shake, I had a nice meal. Now, where it got a little bit boring for me, okay, is I had a smoothie bowl. So here you'll see me having a little smoothie bowl, and I'm adding some fruit to it. And I think I added some granola to this one. I'm not exactly sure. But to get that smooth consistency, I did add a Greek yogurt. That was another thing that I did. So instead of having protein powder as like my base, I would use Greek yogurt and then have some fruit or some granola in there because that was enough for me to eat because I really don't need a whole lot. And especially if I'm gonna have that one big meal, that sensible meal, I felt like that was appropriate for me and sustainable. And it basically catered to my appetite. Drop a comment down below, girl, if you have tried replacing 2 meals or have you even tried doing 1 meal a day. How did that work out for you? All right, so if you are enjoying this video this far, please make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I am losing weight, so you don't want to miss out on any of my videos that I post on Sundays, okay? So make sure you turn on your bell notifications and subscribe to the channel. I got to get my watch time hours up in order to be monetized, so I cannot wait for that. I'm so excited. So, yeah. As far as like eating, I must give another shout out to another person here on YouTube because I actually just made one of her meals. I've been making her meals all week. All right, Amira's Kitchen. That is CAMIRRA Kitchen. I have been making her meals since Easter Day. For those who don't know, that I am a newly divorced mom. I am a single mom now of one minor, and I have two adults. One is already out the house, the other adult is still in the house, and I have one 10-year-old that's about to be 11. So I need to be able to cook. Yes, I am 42 years old, and I have not been the woman in the kitchen. Like, my ex was the main person that cooked a lot, and he made good, delicious meals. So I want to be able to do the same, except for I needed, a little extra touch, what seasonings to blend to make it all taste good. I made a roast, and then Friday I made curry chicken. It was so delicious. The house was lit. House smelled so good. Mama didn't make this, honey. It was Tamika that did this. And no, my mom did not have me in the kitchen. Even when I go out of town to my grandma's house, I don't get let in the kitchen at all. They have me clean up. And I have some cousins that will tell you, Tamika don't get let in the kitchen. So now that I'm in the kitchen, now that I'm outside, your girl is doing her thing, and I'm just so happy that I can just pat myself on the back. If you have any recipes that you would like to share and you don't mind, please go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. Or if you have some videos that you would like for me to watch, and then I can go ahead and replicate that person's meals, that would be awesome. And so excited. I am that person who likes to do quick, speedy meals. Like, my ex would make a roast, and it would take him about almost 2 hours because he'll have it in the oven. I've been using my pressure cooker. I've been using the pressure cooker. And honey, my roast was tender. I can cut it with a fork. It only took me 45 minutes. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about, because I like something that is quick. I don't like to be slaving over no stove. So yeah, I'm so excited. I have more to share, and there is life after a divorce. I know this is not what this is supposed to be about, but I just wanted to just share that, because that is something that is new going on with me. And yeah, this is a part of my lifestyle content. So if you're interested and wanted to know or hear more about my story, I do not mind sharing. I am going to create a playlist and also put it on a separate channel that I'm going to create, so I can have, that one-on-one talk about, women and empowerment, and, just being that mother, that bomb mom that can cook, do everything in between. All right, now let's get into how much weight I lost, because I almost forgot about that. Yeah. All right, so because it was Easter, how much did I weigh? I think it was 182, 183. It's somewhere up there. All right. But because it was Easter, I must admit, your girl had some cake. I had a roast. I had jasmine rice, which is something new that we never had in this house before, but your girl wanted to try something different. So I had that. Yeah, and I had some candy. So I know I put on like a little bit of water weight. So I probably put on like a pound or two. I'll say I was roughly almost 184. But now I am at 181.4. I'm so excited. So even though water weight is going to fall off naturally once you stop eating it, that's still good. And then I lost the extra pound. So I'm like so happy and so excited. It's amazing, right? It is amazing to just continue to lose weight. Will I continue doing the one meal a day, like having the one sensible meal a day? Yes, because as my dosage increase, I'm not going to be able to eat a whole lot of food. It's really hard for me to really eat. Like this morning, I just had some Greek yogurt with some granola, and I had some like 2 slices of bacon around 3 o'clock. And here it is, 5:15. I'm a little off because I had to cook and everything, but it's 5:15. I'm getting ready to eat my first sensible meal, and that's going to be like a Rosetta. I don't know. It's some type of pasta that I got off of Kamira's kitchen. So I just did one of her recipes, and I'm sure it's going to taste really, really good. So yeah. So that is how much weight I lost. And I thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to the channel and that has taken an interest in my channel. I'm sure a lot of you guys are here because of the Wegovy, so I'm gonna just keep on bringing the Wegovy and then kind of sneak in a little bit of hair and lifestyle, because I feel like that is also important. If you want to know, I can do a separate channel, a separate video, or just put it in one so it can be a little bit longer video. Okay. All right. So, but anywho, honey, I gotta go eat, feed the youngin because she's hungry. All right. So I'll check you guys out a little bit later. Goodbye, gorgeous.